Hello, student. Good afternoon. How are you, everybody? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now we will do practice. How will you do talk with each other? Okay, understand? Are you okay? Are you ready? And you should keep silent. You should not talk with each other. Understand? And totally you should listen me. You should not go with each other. Understand? And don't talk and don't make noise anymore. Okay? Now I may call one by one. Hello, student. Hi. Please come here. Come here. Dear viewers, আজকে আমরা বাচ্চাদের সাথে পার্সোনালি কথা বলবো যে দেখি ওরা কি রকম বলতে পারে। That on, right? Hello.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mirpur 10.
Okay, you are from Mirpur 10. Where do you live, Mirpur 10? Can you say the area? Can you say B block, C block, or Benanshi Polli, or where? Can you say? Where? Don't you know the house location?
Yes.
Where is it?
Falpotti.
Oh, these are Falpotti, dear. Yeah,
Yes,
central area of the Mirpur 10, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Do you go to school regularly?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. I see you are a good student. What's your father?
My father is a service holder.
Okay, and what's your mother?
My mother is a housemaker.
Okay, very good, fantastic. Which subject do you like most?
I like Bangla.
Bangla? Oh, very good, fantastic, Bangla. What's your aim in life? What's your target? What do you want to be in future? I want to be
I want to be an artist.
artist. Wow, fantastic. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Maria Islam.
Mariam Islam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Clap, please, all. You are a good performer. Very good. Thank you. So, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Nur Isamawat.
Oh, very good. What's your school name?
Shohid Biruttam Lieutenant Anwar Girls College.
Oh, very good. Fantastic. How do you go to school?
Every day.
By car? Or by bus? By rickshaw?
Car.
By car, right?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. How many sisters and brothers do you have?
We are three sisters.
3 sisters. Okay. What's your father?
My father is a job holder.
Okay, service holder or the job holder, right? Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. হচ্ছে কারণ এখানে আসলে সবাইকে সুযোগ দেওয়া যাবে না, বাট তারপরেও যাদেরকে ধরে না আনলে হয়। ওকে, did the girl come? Okay, please come, please. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Ishra. Okay, how many sisters and brothers do you have, Ishra?
Three.
3 sisters, right? And what's your father?
Father service holder.
Okay, sir. And what's your mother?
My mother homemaker.
Homemaker. Wow, very good. Fantastic, good student. Okay, what class do you read in?
I read in class 1.
Class 1. How do you go to school? By bus, by rickshaw, by car? By car. Okay, who drives car? Your father or mother? What driver uncle? Mother. Oh, driver uncle, right? Okay, thank you very much. You are a good student. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, very good. Nice. Fantastic.
My name is Abdullah Safwan.
Okay, very good. Fantastic. What class do you read in?
KG1.
Oh, what's your school name?
My school name is Waitan International School.
Oh, wow, very good. Where do you live now?
Mirpur 1, Dhaka.
Oh, Mirpur 1, Tolarbat. Oh, very good. Fantastic. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. Fine. Thank you. Dear, please come. Dear viewers, আমাদের ভিডিও বড় হচ্ছে, please don't mind, please. একটু দেখতে থাকুন, সঙ্গেই থাকুন. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Safwan Hassan Samir.
Okay, very good. Where are you from? I am from?
I am from student.
No. I'm from. Yes, come in. I'm from Mirpur 13, 14.
North Bashan Tech.
Yeah.
North Bashan Tech.
Not Bhashantek. Okay, I see. You are from Bhashantek, right? Okay, I see. Very good. Very good. What's your school name?
My school name is Bashantik School and College.
Okay, very good. Fantastic. I see. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We are two brothers.
We are two brothers, right? Okay. What's your favorite what? Fruit?
Mango.
Mango, mango. Fruit is mango, right? And food? Food. Morok pulao, biryani, tihari, nehari, burger, samosa, fuska, kunda. Tihari. Okay, I see. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, any problem?
No.
Okay. Hello, girl. Come on, please. Hi. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm very lucky and happy to see you today. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ismika Yamin Shatsho.
Oh, Shatso, very good. What's your school name?
My school's name is Shohid Biruttam Lieutenant Honor Girls College.
Okay, can you dance? Can you dance? Okay, how do you pass your leisure time? What do you do in your free time? Drawing or what?
Reading.
Oh, reading books, right? Okay, very good, very good. Can you recite any rhymes or poem?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Very good. Clap please. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, what's your father?
My father is a dentist.
Okay, and what's your mother?
My mother is a dentist too.
Oh, very good, fantastic, fantastic. Dear viewers, দেখুন এই যে ছোট বাচ্চা ইংলিশ বলে, রাইট? জাস্ট শেখানো, প্র্যাকটিস করা আর হলো উৎসাহিত করা। আমি সকল সম্মানিত, বিশেষ করে আমি আপনাদেরকে রিকোয়েস্ট করব যেটা, দেখুন আপনারাও কিন্তু পারেন। বাসায় যদি বাচ্চাদের সাথে আপনারা ইংলিশে টকিং করেন, তাহলে কিন্তু ওরাও কিন্তু সাহস পাবে, রাইট? আর দেখুন আমরা তো চেষ্টা করছি, ওদেরকে শেখাচ্ছি, বাট ওদের দরকারটা হলো পরিবেশ দেওয়া। একটা বাচ্চা যদি বাসায় যদি ওখানে যদি ইংলিশের প্র্যাকটিসটা পায়, বিশেষ করে বাবা মা যদি বাচ্চাদের সাথে যতটুকু কথা বলে, যদি ইংলিশ একটু বলে, কাম হিয়ার প্লিজ, টেক ইট, ডোন্ট টেক ইট, বা আদার্স লাইক দিস ওয়ে, তাহলে কিন্তু দেখা যায় যে ওদের মতো যারা আছে, হ্যাঁ, ওরা কিন্তু ইংলিশে ফাটাফাটি পারফরম্যান্স দেখাতে পারবে, রাইট? সো দ্যাটস গুড, ফাইন, থ্যাংক ইউ, নাইস টু মিট ইউ।
Nice to meet you too.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, গুড সিট, গুড সিট। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। দেখুন ইংলিশ শেখানো কোনো ব্যাপার না, বা ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিসে মানে আসা কোনো ব্যাপার না। জাস্ট আমাদের একটু মন মানসিকতা ঠিক করতে হবে যে আমরা বাচ্চাদেরকে ইংলিশ শেখাবো বা বাচ্চাদের সাথে ইংলিশ বলবো। নরমালি আমরা সারাদিন যা বাংলা বলি, এগুলোকে যদি আমরা ইংলিশে শো আপ করতে পারি তাহলে কিন্তু হয়ে যায়। এছাড়া কঠিন কোনো কিছু না। ইয়েস, ইউ মে গো টু ওয়াশরুম। ওকে, হ্যালো,
Hi.
হাই, এক্সকিউজ মি।
Excuse me.
Okay, can you listen me?
Can you?
Okay, okay, fine. What's your name?
My name is Smritika Dutta.
Mritika. Okay. How old are you? How old are you?
I am older.
I am?
I'm 6 years.
I am 6 years old, right? Okay. How many sisters and brothers do you have?
One brothers.
And one sister. Right? Okay, fantastic. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good, nice. Thank you, thank you. Very good. কথা বলছি, হ্যাঁ, এবং ওদেরকে সাহস দিচ্ছি যে ওরা কতটুকু পারে বা আমাদেরকে বোঝে, রাইট? হ্যালো,
Hello.
হাই,
Hi.
এক্সকিউজ মি,
Yes.
ক্যান ইউ লিসেন মি,
Yes.
ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Manna Rahman Arni.
Okay, Warni, what's your school name?
My school name is Licho Gentleman Public School.
Okay, very good. How do you go to school?
I go to school by auto.
Okay, very good, fantastic. What's your father?
My father is a baker.
Okay, what's your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Homemaker, very good, fantastic. How many sisters and brothers do you have?
I have one sister and one brother.
Okay, very good, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good, thank you, thank you, thank you. Girl sit, girl sit, girl. Exactly, আমরা যদি বাচ্চাদেরকে শেখাই এবং পড়া জিজ্ঞেস করি এবং সাহস দেই তাহলে কিন্তু সম্ভব। এক্স্যাক্টলি দেখুন, ইংলিশ কনভারসেশন ওয়াট দ্য স্পোকেন নট সো হার্ড এন্ড দ্য ডিফিকাল্ট, রাইট? উই শুড ডু মেক practice more and more, right? Hello,
Hi.
what's your name?
My name is Rafida Khan Rifa.
Oh, very good, very good. How many sisters and brothers do you have?
You are two sisters.
We are the two sisters, right? What's your sister's name?
My sister name is Raida Khan Emi.
Okay, what class does she read in?
I read in.
No, your sister.
Oh,
She reads in
she reads in KG.
KG. Okay. I see. What's your father?
My father is a
Is a
my father is a teacher.
teacher. Very good, very good. Your father is a teacher. Very great job. Okay. How do you go to school?
By rickshaw.
By rickshaw. Okay. Where are you from?
I
I
am from Dhaka.
Dhaka. Where do you live? Where? Maybe 13, 14 or where?
Maybe 14.
Maybe 14. Right. Okay, I see. Very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Girl sit. Very good. Fantastic. Very funny, very easy. Fantastic. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Abid.
Abid. Okay. Where are you from, Abid?
I'm from North Vasanti.
Not Bhashantek. Okay, I see. Very good. Fantastic. Very good. What's your school name?
My school name is Vasanti School and College.
Oh, very good. Fantastic. How do you go to school? By rickshaw, by car, by bus?
By bike.
By bike. Who rides the bike? Father. Father. What's your father?
My father is a businessman.
Businessman. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. Nice. Okay. We are really sorry. Exactly, we have taken more times. Dear viewers, আমরা একটু বাচ্চাদের সাথে ছবি তুলবো। Please come. We want to take a picture. Please. Just we'll make a line. Please. Little on, teacher, please help us. Okay. Little on, will fast. Okay, sorry, Baba. Sorry. Don't touch the board. Don't touch. There's dirty. Okay. Very good. Baba, go fast. In front. Teacher, this boy. Girl, here. Girl, here. Okay. Let them stand fast. Okay. Very good. Please close and front. Okay. Hello, brother. Can you see us? Take a still picture.